everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy buttery coriander roasted potatoes. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna cut the potatoes in half and the larger mini potatoes in thirds. Once all the potatoes are cut, we're gonna go ahead and put the potatoes in a medium saucepan filled with cold water. Next, we're gonna add salt. Then we're gonna head to the stove and bring the water to a boil, and this should take about 6 minutes. And as soon as the water reaches a rolling boil, we're gonna turn off the heat and drain the potatoes. Next, combine melted butter with garlic salt, onion powder, and vegeta. Mix well and set aside. Next, arrange the potatoes in a baking dish in a single layer, cut side down. Next, pour the butter mixture all over the potatoes, then bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until golden brown. The potatoes are done, guys. I just pulled them out of the oven, guys. They need just 30 minutes in the oven to achieve that perfect golden brown color and slightly crispy exterior. Also, they boast a crispy skin that is coated in flavor with a tender center that is delicious at any time. To finish it off, we're gonna sprinkle with coriander. It's gonna give it a fragrant, refreshing, citrusy taste and aroma. I hope you enjoyed this video. Serve them as a side dish for almost any meal. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.